How to delete your Starling Bank account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is clear all of your balance and cancel all the direct debits or standing orders. So after making sure you have cleared all of your balance and canceled all the direct orders, what you're going to do now is simply tap on the profile icon that you will be able to see on the top right corner. Then after doing that, simply tap on manage account. You'll be able to see close account, which you would usually see on the very bottom of your phone. So simply scroll down and then tap on that option. So after doing that, now what we're going to do is export your statement before confirming. Then after doing that, you will actually be able to download all of your statements and then tap to finalize your closure. And that is all you need to do in order to delete your Starling Bank account permanently. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.